Hey guys, good morning. Well, at least good morning for me. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany if you're new here. Today I'm just starting another weekly vlog. So I just made myself some breakfast, made some toast, and a cup of tea. And the plan for today, it actually already got hectic. I started off my day by doing some work. And then I got some last minute news that I got a spot for my clothing brand to sell at Grand Central Market in downtown LA tomorrow. Usually they tell you like 2 weeks in advance, but with Grand Central Market, they tell you the week of, more like 2 days before. So they told us that tomorrow, Friday, August 20th, we got the spot. We'll be selling there from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Not that it matters because this video is going to be posted already after I sold, but I'm super excited. So we have a lot to do today. We gotta pick up mail, we gotta pull out cash for the flea market, we gotta pack everything for the flea market tomorrow, we gotta do an inventory check, like a little list of everything we're bringing. I gotta make just like a list of like everything I need to get done by today. I also ordered some things for the flea market, knowing that I was gonna do it this weekend. I was thinking I was gonna do it Saturday. So I ordered some things on Amazon and it said it was supposed to get here by Thursday night, but what if it doesn't get here in time because I'm actually having the flea market Friday morning. So I'm praying that the things get here in time because I'm really gonna need that stuff, but we will figure it out. So that's the plan. We just got a lot to do today. I also need to clean up around the house because it's a little mess from shooting things and working on things throughout the house. So it's a little messy. So we got lots to clean, lots to organize, lots to plan. So that's the plan for today. I'm gonna have my breakfast now. I just ran errands and I'm really hungry, so I need to make some food. So we have a bunch of vegetables and I just gathered what we have in the fridge. I think I'm gonna make myself a salad and then I'm gonna grill some veggies in the oven for later because after I eat the salad, I think I'm gonna be a little bit more hungry. And then I have some leftover chicken that I'm gonna throw in the salad. It's a new day. I have not picked up the camera in a second because I've just been very busy and just a lot of stuff has been going on. So I thought I would just talk about what I've been up to and show the clips. So as you guys saw, or as you're going to see now, on Friday I sold at the flea market at the Grand Central Market in downtown LA. I sold my clothing brand, which was lots of fun. It was really cool to see. Been there, so Grand Central is pretty cool itself, so to sell my brand there was pretty fun. I definitely hope to be back there, so if you want to come check out my brand, make sure to follow it on Instagram and you'll see when I post dates. I just signed up for the FITM night market event, so at my college at FITM I'll be selling September 9th. And then Friday I ran home from Grand Central, I showered and changed, and I rushed over to my friend's birthday dinner, which was really fun. She brought a hibachi chef where they like cook in front of you, so that was really cute and I had a lot of fun. Then I came home and I was super tired. I went to sleep and then I woke up, got ready for the day, and then I had a friend in town. So we just sat by the pool at the hotel all day, had lunch, dinner, and all that. Then I slept over, and then Sunday morning I came home and then I had to rush home to shower and change again and then go to my cousin's bridal shower. So it was a very hectic weekend. So then I went to the bridal shower. I was there all day and then I came home and I was exhausted. And then finally, it has now been a day. It's Monday and I've been unpacking and organizing everything from the flea market, getting stuff ready for the next time. And yeah, I've just been running a bunch of random errands. So that's what I was up to this weekend. It is now the middle of the week and I'm going to Hawaii this weekend, which I'm so excited. So I need to pack for Hawaii. So I thought I would show you guys how I pack for my trips and prepare, you know, for a trip. So I thought that would be fun to show. So yeah, I think that's what the rest of the vlog is going to be. I'm just going to show you guys how I pack for Hawaii, how I prepare, and then I'll vlog my trip and that will be the next video. So I'm excited, and yeah. So it's a new day and this morning I was just running errands. I got my nails done. Before I had like a really simple pink color and now I decided to do something fun, which I'm kind of obsessed with how it came out. It's like this little French tip with some like design on the top. So I love that. So the plan for today, I was running errands, did my nails, and I'm going to the beach with my cousin today because it's supposed to be really warm in Malibu. So we're having a beach day, so I need to pack a bag. So I thought I would show you guys how I pack a bag for the beach. I'm also going to Hawaii in 2 days, so I thought I would start planning my outfits and start packing and show you guys how I pack. And I think I'll use those 2 segments to end off the vlog. So we'll do a little beach day and then how I pack. So before I pack my beach bag, I wanted to pack for Hawaii. So I don't usually do this, but I want to not take as much stuff and overpack for this trip. This is a suitcase I'm taking. It's this carry-on suitcase. Let me open her up. So I have little bags I can section everything on. Okay, so I'm still in the middle of packing, pairing some sunglasses, bathing suits, outfits all together, but I need to get ready for the beach. So I thought I would make my beach bag right now. So this is the bag I always take. It's from H&M. I love it. I use it for everything. And what I like to stick in is definitely gonna need a hat, some lip gloss since I'm not gonna be wearing any makeup, so I thought I would add this to the fit to organize the bag. A ponytail. Here we have, is that my only one? Yeah. Okay, so we have some tanning oil. We're gonna bring some Sun Bum sunscreen. And then just in case we go see friends after, I like to bring this little rollerball of perfume and some deodorant just in case, because you are hot at the beach all day. And then I'm gonna add my beach towel. I'm gonna put my outfit together with my sandals and my tank top. And then I'm gonna grab some snacks maybe, and then we're gonna stop at the grocery store and buy some snacks and drinks. Okay, so I ended up changing the fit to my white beach pants, my green sandals from H&M, the same bikini I was wearing before but in green, this white top from Shein, and then these sunglasses from my clothing brand, the Addison sunglasses in green. So I thought I would just coordinate with all the greens and then an all white fit.